In today's video, I am going to teach you how to send GIFs in Telegram. If you've ever wanted to add a little personality or a quick reaction to your messages, GIFs are a fun, fast way to do it. And the process is super simple once you know where everything is. Start by opening a Telegram chat. This can be a conversation with a friend, a group, or any channel where you can type a message. Make sure you are in the chat view so you can see the message bar at the bottom of the screen. That's where we'll be working. Next, look at the message bar and tap the emoji icon. On most devices, it looks like a smiley face. And it sits right next to where you type. Tapping it opens a panel where you can choose between emojis, stickers, and GIFs. If your screen looks a little different depending on your phone or desktop, don't worry, the icon is always near the message field. Once that panel is open, switch to the GIF tab. You'll usually see labels or small icons to switch between emojis, stickers, and GIFs. Tap the one that says GIFs, and the view will change to show animated options. You'll probably notice a collection of trending GIFs right away. These refresh regularly and are great when you just want something quick and popular. If you are looking for something specific, use the search bar in the GIF tab. Type a keyword that describes the mood or idea you want, words like celebration, facepalm, wow, or the name of a character or show. The more specific your keyword, the better your matches. As you scroll, the previews help you see the tone and timing. So you can pick a GIF that says exactly what you mean without typing a lot. When you've found the perfect one, simply tap the GIF to send it. Here is no extra confirmation. It goes straight into the chat and starts looping for you and the other person to see. That's all there is to it. Telegram handles the rest in the background, so you don't need to download or attach anything manually. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.